am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am. I am. I am blessed. 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 I am.
Today was a quiet day. No rush, no big plans, just a moment to slow down and check in with myself. I've been learning that self-care doesn't always look how we imagine it. It doesn't always look like getting your hair done, getting your makeup done, getting a facial, getting a massage, doing a skincare routine. Sometimes self-care is choosing stillness, letting the day move a little slower, paying attention to what we need. For me, that meant taking care of my health today. Not because something was wrong, but because my body deserves care too. Checking in before there's a reason to. Self-care isn't just the visible things, it's the quiet choices no one else sees. The appointments we put off, the questions we finally ask. Choosing myself looked different in this season, and I'm learning to honor that. Self-care is checking in with your body. It's paying attention. It's not ignoring the signs just because life feels busy. It's listening and resting. It's choosing to be proactive instead of waiting until something feels wrong. It's easy to pour into everything and everyone else and forget that our health needs attention too. I have a question. We have entered into a new year. When was the last time you did a check-in? Let this serve as a reminder that you need to do your check-in before you're forced to do so.